So, hi guys, I'm Mama Eileen and welcome back to our channel. Hi! So for today's vlog, it is a sunny day. We decided to walk along the quiet street of Maadi, and this is Degla. So Papa Mara is off from work, so we decided to just have a walk. But Adam is not walking at all. Oh yeah. Hi, Papa Mara.
I'm actually depressed. So I'm having some mental health walk.
Why are you depressed?
You know, when you sometimes need something badly but you don't get it, so you get depressed, and then you just need to walk and release it.
Wait, Sarah is saying something. What?
Can I see the cat?
Okay. Oh, there is a nice look.
This looks like a cat.
Look at those street cats, and they're feeding them. It is nice. Like they really built something for them. Maybe this is a
Cats for them.
Oh, Adam is saying hi to those cats as if they talk to him.
Okay.
Papa, help him.
Lot of bonds.
Hi. Can you hear Adam? He's saying hi to those cats. He really loves cats.
Cats area, see the bonds?
Yeah. But isn't it you shouldn't feed cats chicken bones?
Says who? They know how to manage.
Really?
They make and leave the bonds.
Hi. Look at Adam.
This one is pooping. Give her some privacy.
No.
Not touching. Yeah. See when a cat poop?
Yes.
Don't do like this.
And there's Ate Charm, so busy with her cell phone. It's like she will jog, as if she will jog with her outfit. And Sarah brought her scooter. Huh?
How many is that?
I select some.
Oh no,
Oh, what?
Put him down, ba? See, the sky is so clear, so quiet. Put down Adam pa.
Hey, you ate the same color? Good done? Huh?
Isn't it we're going
Adam, we're having a mental walk.
Isn't it we're going to watch the camel?
Yes.
So we're gonna meet Lola,
Oh, she's done.
right?
She's done.
Yeah, so come on.
ended our walk for today. So we went to a tinapay store, a Filipino store here in Cairo. So here are the Filipinos. So we are eating halo-halo. And this are halo-halo. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next vlog. Bye.